Hey friends, I'm going to show you how to use Automator to very quickly flatten your products. So I already have this exported as a PDF, and you're going to notice that when I open it, it's not flattened. I could select each little guy individually. And for those that are new to TPT, that's a problem because a lot of clip artists don't want you to be able to select it individually, because technically I could just copy that little guy and I'm extracting the clip art from the actual product. Also, it causes a lot of problems when people are trying to print the product, because when they go to print the product, the printer has to then flatten all this in order to produce an output, and it can take a long time. So to make it easier, we are literally going to flatten all of this separate images and text and stuff. We're going to flatten it into one big image and then make a PDF out of that image. Let me show you. So I'm going to open up Automator, and I'm going to create a new document. I'm going to use a workflow. You could use an application, but I find the workflow is easier to get to and open, because when you click the application, it immediately runs it. Someone else could explain it better, but for now, just use a workflow. Choose. I'm going to save it to what I am actually doing, just so it's easy to find later. So in this case, it's PDF to image to PDF. You can save it wherever. And the reason why you save this is because literally later you can just open it and run it. You don't have to set it up again. So I'm going to save it to the desktop. If this is missing, you can just click the library button right there. And first thing you want to do is you're going to get specified finder items. And that way you can just drag your document over. Then I'm going to render PDF as images. I want them to be JPEGs for now, 300 DPI. And then I'm going to do new PDF from images. And you're just going to save it right to the desktop, and you can give whatever file name. I just give it a random number just because I can. Then you want to do this, make all pages this size. And in this case, I know that I am doing landscape, so it's 612 by 790. Oh, I just did that backwards. 792 by 612, because it measures it in points. So that's 8.5 by 11. And then we are basically ready to run. So I'm going to grab my PDF, put it in there, click run. This can take a while depending on the size of your actual document. This one's about 25 pages. So I'm going to let it run, and I'll fast forward to when it's done. Okay, it just finished, and this one took about 2 minutes. Not bad at all. Next thing I'm going to do is I actually will run this through PDF Squeezer, because it kind of comes out as a pretty big file. Like it's 54 megabytes. But I'm going to squeeze out all the extra information using PDF Squeezer. And I'll do a separate tutorial just on PDF Squeezer. So I literally can drop my files here, and I have this already set up to go. And so I can squeeze all the way to 22.68. So let me show you the difference. This is my one that is flattened. This is the one that is not flattened. So I can select the little mummy here. Here, when I try to select the mummy, it selects the whole thing because it's one big flattened image. You can rename it now and do whatever you need with it.